This is my mom cooking. I'm just gonna video her. Give me a second. There you go, video. My mom cooking. Actually, just cutting stuff. She seems to be cutting some things. By the way, we got something over here. Which I don't know what it is. Back to my mom cutting. And by the way, we're cooking lamb. I think it's lamb, but Muslims, well, Bengali people call it bari. You know what's gonna happen? I'm just gonna check back over here. Okay, here's what's going on. And by the way, she's still cooking. What sound is that? Like, by the way, that's potatoes, fish, stuff. That's the lamb right there. That's fish. That's potatoes. That's my mum. That's actually my mum. That's just leftover stuff. And this. Oh, she asked me to check. Nah. Rice. This is rice now, but rice. To cutting. Okay, I'm going to check. I'm here for Decky. That has a lot of water or no? Ma, what is that ghetto? Come here. Come there. Okay, we did, Nanny. We did. Ma. We did, Nanny. We did it. Emma? We did it for it? Okay, she asked me to turn this off. Now back to cutting. Oh, guess she's finished. Just putting that over there. I'm gonna zoom out. Yeah, much harder. No, she's cutting potatoes. I'm gonna come back up and check on those. For magnifying zoom. Too far. There we go. Now come back over here to check what my mom's doing. Still taking the skin off the potatoes. We're gonna have a commercial break. Now we're just gonna take a. Okay, we're back, and it seems to be the water has evaporated. I can't get too close or I'll burn myself. Going back to watching Mum cut potatoes for my look. Daddy, for potato buzz, potato salad, if you guys call it. This takes lots of minutes, so I'll cut back to you when it's. If you want to watch that, you might be bored because it's doing nothing. So I'm gonna cut back to you really. We haven't finished, but you want to see all the dirt, all the mess it's made over here. Well, so you can see a bit of that. Let's see what she's doing. Still cutting potatoes, but in a different way. So I'll get up here and film. Mommy cooking channel mana temni. Cooking channel.
Cooking. Nice. Cooking ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟ ನೈ. Cooking ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟ ನೈ. ಅವರ ಬೋರ್ ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟವ್ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ.
Just getting potatoes. That sharp thing she's cutting with, it's like a bigger knife, like a machete, but it's on has back. It's called a dual. Also, cooking is very dangerous. I advise you to be with a guardian or a parent. No, Hanase, Moila. Vad är det jättefallna? I'll be slowing her. There's a bit of potato skin still on there. No, I'm gonna pause and check back in a minute or two because this will take too long. She's just finished with the potatoes. Now let's see what she's doing now. Oh, she's going with the meat. So she's just getting on with her cutting it. Just cutting the meat. Yeah, this is kind of getting boring. I'll go back in like a part 2 in like 2 years. JK, I'm keeping doing this. Oh, time for fish. Is this Stuffins, our chef? Hello. I'm taking a breath. Yeah. Stuffins is actually... Is this Stuffins? If you heard me. It's actually that with a hat. But you call him Stuffins. He sits on me. Stuffins. What am I doing here? Yeah. You want to say no? My baby. Okay, so looking fish. Slash cutting fish. Oh no. Oh, we hate this stuff. Where's she going with this? Oh, she's getting a blender. She did tell me, but we're just gonna blend it. Ma, gaan we blend hot day? Hoe dit loggen?
গোলামের পয় হাঙ্গা করবার লাগি গেল দেশ আইলো বেমার হয়ে যায় আমার মারলো ওই
Okay, we added water to it, and now it's sludge. Oh shoot. Yeah, we added water. Okay. It is sludge. Look how sludgy it is, and it got up here as we were doing this. Because we were doing this with it. She was doing it. I wasn't. I cannot write. What would it go today? Huh?
থাকো
Oh yeah. Okay.
ওরা ফুল মনে
Gotcha. She tells me
রাম দিলে না ফুল ফল লাগতো না
she's gonna do it later. Open it later. Do not get any sussy. Do not get anything sussy with you. Oh, she's watching. She is washing the meat with cold water. Ma, make it out there. What? Then get out there.
মাছ বানাই হইছে রামু
Oh, okay. She's telling me she's gonna have to cut the fish first. Okay, can we masak the chicken with the berry man I buy nani?
দুটো সাবাতি বসাই
Sapati.
ওই যে সাবাতি
Oh, that's already. Yeah, we're out of tea leaves. We're all out of tea leaves. I actually wanted tea, but there weren't any. So it's like, oh man. So I just warmed some water or nothing. So I just shut it off immediately. And I was I was so mad. But I'll do this later. I actually have a free hand so you can watch me do it. So you bend over. I need to get a knife. Sa good luck you don't have to take the fucking knife.
কাঁটা তো
Okay, just go done cutting. I can only fit my face. So some that in here. Once again, repeat. Some that in here. We mostly press it down so we have more room for more. So once again, I'm gonna stuff it in here. Let's see. Getting handfuls and stuffing it in. Handfuls and stuffing it in. We did know, Wait, we did know. Okay, we're finished. I'm gonna make a part 2 because this is getting way too long.